If you are looking to grow your LinkedIn following and sell any type of B2B services, this is the video for you. Just recently, I came across a guy who built his following to over 400,000 people on LinkedIn. And I was really impressed. He's doing over $1 million in sales, and he is solo entrepreneur, which means he does not have a big staff. He does most of the work himself. I picked up his course. I loved what he is doing. And I actually want to share some of the things that I've learned along the way. So if you watch the space on this channel, you are going to see a little bit of LinkedIn and how to optimize your profile, how to post, how to get the algorithms to work. Also, if you pick up the course from him, I am giving you an accountability group where a bunch of entrepreneurs are hanging out, building out their LinkedIn profiles, and we learn from each other. If this is for you, make sure you follow me and look at the upcoming videos, and also the link to his course is going to be inside of the description.